Iceland, the land of fire and ice, is a nature lover's paradise. Did you know that Iceland is home to over 130 volcanoes? One of the most famous is Age of Geological, which erupted in 2010 and disrupted air travel across Europe. And then there's Hekla, known as the gateway to hell, in the Middle Ages due to its frequent eruptions. But it's not just about the fire. Iceland's glaciers cover about 11% of the country, with Vatnajökull being the largest in Europe. Imagine exploring ice caves and witnessing the stunning blue hues of the glaciers. The famous Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon is a must-see, where you can watch icebergs drift lazily by. Iceland's culture is as rich as its landscapes. The Icelandic sagas, epic tales from the Viking Age, are a significant part of the nation's heritage. These stories of heroes and battles have been passed down for generations, and you can visit places like Thingvellir National Park, where the ancient parliament, Alþingi, was established in 930 AD. Speaking of heritage, did you know that Iceland has a unique naming system? Instead of surnames, Icelanders use patronymics or matronymics, where the last name is derived from the first name of a parent. So, you could be John's son or Gernest's daughter. This tradition keeps the connection to family roots strong. Let's not forget about the incredible wildlife. Iceland is a birdwatcher's dream, with puffins being a major attraction. These adorable birds nest along the cliffs, and you can often see them in the Westman Islands. You can also spot whales off the coast, making it a top destination for whale watching. From humpback whales to orcas, the waters around Iceland are teeming with marine life. Iceland's geothermal activity also brings another unique experience: hot springs. The Blue Lagoon is world famous, offering a relaxing soak in warm, mineral-rich waters surrounded by a lava field. For a more natural setting, you can visit the hot river in Reykjadalur Valley and enjoy a warm bath amidst stunning scenery. And if you visit in winter, you're in for a treat with the Northern Lights. These mesmerizing displays of light dancing across the sky are a sight you'll never forget. The best time to catch this natural wonder is between September and April, away from the city lights. From its breathtaking landscapes and geothermal wonders to its rich cultural traditions and unique wildlife, Iceland is a country full of wonders. Whether you're hiking in the highlands, exploring lava caves, or enjoying a cultural festival, there's always something new to discover. Start planning your adventure today and uncover the many secrets of this incredible island.